Hey you! I am alien. What are you doing in my ship now?
Trying to investigate you.
Investigate me? You are not from here, bro.
Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah, wanna get? Something better.
Oh my god, what's that?
It's a sniper.
Oh my god, what are you doing? You ruined in the ship. I'm coming in peace. I'm coming in peace. Why you shoot me?
Why? Because you want to shoot me first.
No, I don't want to shoot you. I just want to talking about the peace.
Peace.
Yes.